Hi guys. So this is my Merkaela box. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but this is a subscription box that you can get on Cratejoy. I will put how much it is down below. The last box I got from them, which was my first box from them, I absolutely loved everything that was in the box. So I'm excited to see what this one has. That's pretty. I like their boxes. The insides are always pretty. They've got a little printed design. Okay, so the first thing in the box is a thank you note. So let's see here. This month's solstice box includes a collection of products formulated to support our relationship with others as well as ourselves. Okay. Let's see what this is. Excuse me. So this box is supposed to promote self-love. It says geranium, frankincense, ylang ylang. Okay, let me see. And this is what's in the box. So I'm going to scoot this back a little bit and get into it. Oh, here, let me show you all the... Here's what it looks like once you get everything peeled back. So there's a smudge stick in this one. Okay. So the first thing I see is this, and this is called Venous Mineral Bath. So this is just a salt soak. Woo! Oh, ooh, goodness, I got that up my nose. Okay, let's see. Oh, it doesn't say what's in there. Let's see. That has an odd smell. I can't describe that. It says... Well, it just says our special Venus blend, so it doesn't say what essential oils are in there. I mean, it smells good, but it's not something that I could pick any individual scent out of it. So let's sit this one here for a sec. The next thing... Oh, tea. So this is a tea. So here's what it looks like. This is a very herbal smelling tea. I'm a big fan of fruity teas. It smells good. It's just, it doesn't smell like my cup of tea. There you go. I'm going to try it anyway, though. I like the little tin it's in. See if the paper says anything. It's caffeine free. It's supposed to increase relaxation and mental clarity. Alright. The next thing looks like a lip balm. Yep. Nurture Lip Balm. Okay, here's the ingredients, if you guys can see those. You may not be able to. Let's see. Let's get it open and see if it feels like a good formula. Yeah. Yeah, that feels good. Kind of buttery. Ah, cocoa butter. Yeah. This one, it feels really good. It's nice and smooth. Okay. The next one is Honey Clay Face Mask. It's in a little glass container. Ooh. Yeah, that's thick. That smells good. That almost has a it almost has like a buttery scent, but it is a thick mask. I could probably get a couple out of that maybe if I put it on thin. And this says that it is ideal for people with extra dry or sensitive skin. So that's perfect because I have extremely sensitive skin. I don't have dry skin, but I do have sensitive skin. Okay. Well, not on my face anyway. My skin's not dry. I'm actually the opposite. I'm quite oily. Okay. Next is Venous Body Exfoliator. So here it is. Let's see. Okay, so this has rose, lang lang, pine, and fir essential oils. So that's probably the blend that's in this because it smells similar. Okay, that may be a salt. Let me see. It feels really fine. So, yeah, cane sugar. So that's a really fine scrub. Let's see what it says. No, it really doesn't say anything much, so. All right, next is Evergreen soap. So, and it smells like pine. Oh my goodness. Come on now, I don't want to tear you up. Hang on, you all, I'm sorry. I do want to get a look at it, but I don't want to tear everything. All right, screw it. I'm going to take it out of there. That way you all can see it. So it looks like a cold processed soap. Got a little bit of swirling in there. And it does have a pretty strong pine smell. It smells pretty good. Okay. And then I've got the smudge stick. And this is cedar. I love the smell of cedar. It smells so good. Oh, And I'm sure you all know how to use a smudge stick, but if you don't, it's what you do is you light the end and you let it catch a little bit, and then you blow it out, and you just kind of wave the smoke around in your area. It's good. I like this. I like cedar much better than sage. Sage, I think, kind of stinks. Don't tell nobody I said that now, but yeah, I think it kind of stinks. Okay, next I have Venous body butter. So this has calendula, licorice, rose, lang lang, pine, and fir. So there's the ingredients. Yeah, everything kind of has a similar smell. Woo, that is thick. Oh, yep, that's really thick. So that's going to last a while. There it is on. It does feel a little more oily than some of the body butters that I'm used to. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's any starch in here to kind of absorb. Now, I don't mind. I don't mind being oily, though. That doesn't bother me. Okay, and the last thing in the box is in the paper. Ooh. It's a pretty clear quartz pendulum. Here's the end. That's a nice one, actually. I usually like them just a little bit bigger, but this one's actually really nice. Okay. So, that is everything in this month's box. I'm not the biggest fan of the scent in this box compared to the last one that I got. I do like everything. It's a scent thing. The last one had much better smells in it, I suppose. And I'm sure this one is more, laid back. It's a bit more earthy smelling just because of, the season we are in right now. So, okay. You all have a good night.